Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Small Steps Academy, and in this part we are going to study SDG 6, that is clean water and sanitation. So let's see the challenge first. Okay, so every year millions of people, most of them children, die from diseases associated with inadequate water supply, sanitation and hygiene. It is estimated that by 2050, a quarter of the world's population is likely to live in countries affected by chronic or recurring shortage of water. 2.5 billion people have gained access to improved drinking water sources since 1990, but 663 million people are still without it. Also, between 1990 and 2015, the proportion of the global population using an improved drinking water sources increased from 76% to 91%. However, each day, nearly 1,000 children die due to preventable water and sanitation related diarrheal diseases. Okay, second, let's check out why is this important. So, as we all know that clean water is critical to survival and its absence can impact the health, food security and the livelihood of the families across the world. Although our planet has sufficient fresh water to achieve a regular and clean water supply for all, bad economics and poor infrastructure can skew supply unfavorably. Drought afflicts some of the world's poorest countries, worsening hunger and malnutrition. Floods and other water-related disasters account for 70% of the deaths related to the natural disasters. Global goals and national priorities on the reliable energy, economic growth, resilient infrastructure, sustainable industrialization, consumption and production, and food security are all inextricably linked to a sustainable supply of clean water. Hydropower is one of the most crucial. Hydropower is one of the most crucial and widely used renewable sources of energy, and as of 2011 represented 16% of the total electricity production worldwide. Okay, so let's check this out in context of India. So the overall proportion of Indian household with access to improved water sources increased from 68% in 1992 to 90.6% in 2011-12. However, in 2012, 59% of rural household and 8% of urban household did not have access to improved sanitation facilities. Almost 600 million people in India defecate in open, the highest number, which is the highest number in the world. So improving sanitation is a key priority of the government, and they have introduced several flagship programs such as Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, National Rural Drinking Water Program, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, National River Conservation Program, Namami Gange, Integrated Ganga Conservation Mission, and last one is, and there are many more actually, interlinking of the rivers. They are just the main one. Okay, so this was all for this SDG 6. In the next lesson we will do our SDG 7, that is affordable and clean energy. So thank you guys for watching and stay safe, stay healthy, take care, bye bye.